Does health insurance cover you if you get sick or injured while traveling? There are two important things to know before you go traveling and think your health insurance will cover you if you get sick or injured. By the end of this video, you will know the truth about what health insurance will really do for you on a trip. My name is Grace Gosnell with the Health Benefits Network, where we give you the scoop on the latest ideas and innovations about healthcare and benefits that can make your life better. I was recently traveling and started talking with a group of women I met on a tour. They were talking about their travel and health insurance and what happened to one of them if they got sick or injured. And as I listened to them talk, it was very clear that none of them were quite sure what covered what, or anything at all, with regards to their health. So the first thing you need to know is whether your health insurance covers you when traveling around the country. The short answer is you are probably covered, but it's definitely going to cost you. Generally speaking, if you're traveling around the US and have traditional health insurance, then yes, you may be covered. However, and this is a big one, you'll likely find yourself out of network with your insurance company. That means that unless you're getting emergency care, you'll find yourself paying out of network co-pays, co-insurance, and deductibles. And if you're not familiar with that, those amounts are often at least double what your in-network rates are. So if you're someone who travels frequently for work or maybe taking a long trip with the family, this is something to be very aware of. I'll tell you the second important thing to know about health insurance and traveling in a moment. But here on the Health Benefits Network, we have a lot of videos on the concerns with traditional health insurance. We also talk a lot about better alternatives to healthcare for healthy people, which is why we're such big fans of medical cost sharing. So if you're sick of health insurance, check out my video called A Personal Experience with Medical Cost Sharing. It's about why medical cost sharing is a much better deal than health insurance. Click on the link at the end of the description below to learn more, or just post your questions and I'll get back with an answer. The next important thing to know is about international travel. Your average health insurance plan isn't portable overseas. If you get stuck in a healthcare bind, you'll likely be stuck paying those bills yourself. If you're electing to purchase a general travel insurance plan, make sure you read all of the fine print and are aware of the limitations and maximums of allowable coverage. Some may be a bit lower than what you're expecting. For example, a popular travel insurance company, Aligns, offers $50,000 worth of emergency transportation coverage and only $10,000 for emergency medical coverage on their general travel insurance plan that's good for one trip. $10,000 always sounds like a lot of money until you're in the middle of a bad situation. For me personally, I'd opt to add on additional coverage there. One other option for people who travel quite a lot would be replacing their health insurance with medical cost sharing. It's a great solution for people who consider themselves generally healthy, because medical cost sharing doesn't require people to stay within a certain network of providers. You can be free to get healthcare anywhere you find yourself without the worry or expense of being out of network. This even extends to international travel. I've even personally used it abroad in Canada when I toured an ACL skiing and required an emergency room visit. Medical cost sharing is also about 30 to 50% less expensive than traditional insurance. So it could even save you a little money that you could put towards your next family adventure. Let me know if you have any questions on how medical cost sharing could work if you're someone who travels a lot. I'd love to give you some more information and help you see if it's a good solution for you. And please leave any questions and thoughts you have in the comment section below. To make sure you enjoy more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, as we'll be bringing you more healthcare benefits, news, and stories. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends.